In this video, we are going to unbox the OnePlus trimmer. Is it the real OnePlus? No, it's not. They are selling this trimmer using the OnePlus name by trademarking it. Is it worth buying for 519 rupees? Let's see in this video. What are the contents inside the box? Now let's open the box and check out the contents. The box packaging is a little different. On the left side, there is only the trimmer, and on the right side, all the accessories. Okay, I will read the contents mentioned on the back one by one, and then we will check them out. First, let's open the box and see what's inside. As for the box packaging, it's a little different. On the left side, there is only the trimmer, and on the right side, all the accessories.